Hey, what's up, guys? This is JY Smart Tech here again, and today I'll be explaining to you guys about the difference between Gutenberg and the classic editor. And I'll be using WordPress to show you guys how it's done. So this is WordPress, and I've created a website for this week's lab, which is to create a website for mom and pop stores called Soaps R Us. This was my first time using WordPress and Gutenberg, but it was pretty easy to use. And to quickly go through on what I've created, here's the high SEO, and you can see the search bar right here. So you can search for the latest products. And this is the blogging page for the latest newsletter or a product update for the store, such as the new hot soap edition right here, which is the peach edition. And on the store page, we have the products that we are selling. And the cool thing is that I have added this by using a plugin, and I thought that was pretty cool. And we have the organic charcoal soap right here, for example, and we're going to click on add to cart, which it says successfully added. And if we view the cart right here, which will move to the cart page. And if we see right here, we have also the checkout deals, checkout details, and the submit payment. And we have the continue shopping button, apply coupon, gift card button, and more. Last but not least, we have the account page for the customers. Here's the returning customer part and the new user part. So you can create a new account. This is all done through the plugin, which I thought was pretty cool. And this was a basic overview of the website that I've created using WordPress. And I'll be explaining to you guys more in depth of how I've implemented the plugins for this website. To install the plugins, we're going to click on the edit page right here and go to the plugins page to see all the features that I downloaded. So here's the plugins page, and these are the features. So I've already downloaded this and activated it because I have used Classic Editor in some of my websites. And here's the WP Easy Cart for my shopping cart and Yoast SEO for my search engine. And this is the Classic Editor that we're going to talk about more in detail. I've already activated this, so I don't have to click on deactivate. And so here on pages, we originally have the Gutenberg, which is the block style of editing. So let's just move on to the about page to show you guys more about Gutenberg. So here's a section about here. So here's the about section where we have the Gutenberg, which looks like a block format too. So below, I'm just going to put a random word called soaps. And you can also add different headers after. Here you go. Here's the headers. And here's also the adding image and adding quotes. And over here are way more features that you could use. So there's a paragraph, image, gallery, custom HTML, and here are way more stuff like formatting, layout elements, widgets, embeds, and more. I'd say the advantages of using Gutenberg is that it is made very easy to use all these features, and it is definitely simpler, in my opinion, than the classic editor. So on the other hand, the classic editor can be seen over here on the account page. I'm just going to leave site since I'm not going to save this. And on the account page, which you can see I've used the classic editor. So here, this is not the block style format, and it is done by using a classic editor. Classic editor is simply a markdown where it was very similar to last week's editing page. And since I've already done the customizing part on the plugin called WP Easy Cart for the account page, just shows EC account right here. But if you click View Page. It should show correctly when you view it. So here's the features on returning customers and the new users. So yeah, I think that Gutenberg or a block editor is much easier and better to use simply because it would be way harder to customize and try to use the features using just a simple classic editor. So this was a basic walkthrough of my website for a mom and pop store called Soaps R Us and the different methods of using Gutenberg and classic editor. Thank you for watching this video, and remember to like and subscribe to JY Smart Tech. Thank you.